Welcome to 815 Sawcut. This is one of the coziest townhomes you're ever going to see. Fabulous location and a really nice place, which is totally renovated. Let's go have a look. The owner has spent $150,000 here renovating this place absolutely completely. Behind me right here is the fireplace. It's gas at this point, but it was converted from a wood-burning fireplace. As you can see, brand new hardwood floors, paint, cupboards, crown molding, and look at the kitchen. Marble countertops, everything's nice and handy here. Brand new fridge, dishwasher, washer and dryer. And the bathroom is totally renovated also. Lots of storage space all over the place. One very unique feature of this townhome is there's two patios or courtyards. And here we are on the back patio, which is right off the master bedroom and the second bedroom. As you can see, we're in the sunshine today, but in the summertime, there's shade, and it's very cozy and very quiet. As you walk out your front door, you're on this alleyway that leads to Charleson Park and the seawall, and it's only, believe it or not, 40 paces. If you have a pet or you want to go for a walk, you're automatically in Charleson Park, and it's beautiful here. Lots of trees, lots of people walking their dogs, and just out for a general stroll. As you can see, today is one gorgeous day in downtown Vancouver. As you can see, this is a very nice waterfront location. Great views of downtown Vancouver, the ocean, the marina, and as you head west, you have a short stroll to Granville Island, where there's a whole bunch more to do. You can get access to downtown by hopping on the Aquabus, which is just a short ways away on Granville Island, or you can hop on the Aquabus at Olympic Park. Plus, you can even walk to the SkyTrain Canada line and scoot downtown on that. As you can see right behind me, that's the Granville Street Bridge. And what's on the south side of the Granville Street Bridge is Granville Island. And if you haven't been there, that is one spectacular area. Lots to do and see, lots of great restaurants, there's marinas there, and it is a very busy place. So as we mentioned before, if you walk 15 minutes west, you'd be in Granville Island. A lot of spectacular things to do there, as we said. But if you go 15 minutes east, you're going to be in Olympic Village. There's Save On Foods, London Drugs, banks and restaurants, and the Aquabus terminal is there also. And if you like food, boy, there's some really spectacular places. And since I'm a foodie, Mount McQueen's is just right behind us, which is only a 5-minute walk from 815 Sawcut. Right out your front door is Charleson Park. And this is quite spectacular because the biggest advantage is there's two off-leash areas. And most days there's lots of pets here. And you can see in behind me, there's a big inlet here, lots of ducks, lots of people just sitting and enjoying the day. And it's getting better as the days get warmer and brighter. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this townhouse video of 815 Sawcut. You need to come and have a look, and you will appreciate the location and the coziness of this townhome. It's gorgeous. For any further information about this property or others, don't hesitate to give us a call at the number below, or an email, or even a text. We'd be more than happy to guide you in the right direction. Thanks again. Bye for now.